In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or disable Copilot in Microsoft Teams. If you've noticed the Copilot icon in your Teams sidebar and you don't need it, the quickest way to get it out of your way is right within the Teams app. Look over to the left-hand sidebar where your apps live. When you see the Copilot icon, simply right-click it and choose Uninstall. You'll be asked to confirm, and once you do, the app should disappear from the sidebar. This action removes Copilot from your Teams client, helping keep your workspace clean and focused on the tools you actually use. If it doesn't vanish instantly, give Teams a moment to refresh and then continue working as usual. Now, here's an important heads up. Copilot is deeply integrated with Microsoft's ecosystem, and in some environments it can be pushed back by organizational policies or reappear after Windows or Teams updates. If you notice Copilot returning even after you uninstall it, that doesn't mean you did anything wrong. It often indicates that your organization manages app availability centrally, or that an update restored default apps. If Copilot keeps coming back, or if you need broader control, like limiting it for certain users, meetings, or the entire organization, this is where an IT administrator steps in. Lasting control over Copilot's availability and the features it uses lives in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Specifically, meeting policies govern what's allowed during calls and meetings, including features that Copilot relies on, such as recording and transcription. By adjusting those policies, an admin can restrict or disable Copilot's presence and capabilities across the organization, rather than just removing it from a single user's sidebar. It's also worth noting the trade-offs. Turning off recording or transcription through policies can help rein in Copilot-powered features, but it will also affect legitimate meeting needs like compliance recording, meeting captions, and searchable transcripts. If your team depends on those, Alice, discuss the implications before changes are made. Only users with the appropriate admin role can modify these settings. So if you don't have that access, reach out to your IT support team and let them know what you're experiencing and what outcome you're aiming for. To recap, for a quick personal change, right-click the Copilot icon in Teams and select Uninstall. For persistent or organization-wide control, an IT admin should adjust meeting policies in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, especially around recording and transcription. And if Copilot reappears after updates or policy syncs, that's expected behavior in managed environments. Contact your admin for a lasting solution.